Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to define an empty room building in the plan. Sometimes you don't want a building longs with the full access. Let's learn how to define this in MkaPHP. We are going to open a previous model. File menu, Open Project, and we are going to open different trusses model. The model is loaded. Let's delete some rooms in the plan. To do this, we need to go to Model tab and select the truss location. These row numbers represents the axis spacings. For example, number 0 means the spacing between axis 1 and 2. Number 1 means the spacings between axis 2 and 3. And number 2 means the spacings between number 3 and 4. Let's delete truss 2's row 0. I uncheck this and click the Apply Change button. As you can see, the parts of the buildings is deleted. Let's click the truss location again. This truss order is the same of the model order. So truss 2 is this truss 0 is in the middle truss, and truss 1 at the right truss. So let's delete truss 1's the last axis. I clicked and I uncheck this and click Apply Change button. So that's it. You can delete any spacing in the model. See you next lesson.